I look at Ultra as really the best in its class when we're really looking at skin rejuvenation and resurfacing. First and foremost, it is a non-ablative resurfacing laser, as we all know here. It's really not just great for skin rejuvenation, but it really utilizes and harnesses intelligent technology. Incredibly comfortable, very low downtime for your patients. And most importantly, as our patient population becomes much more diverse with different skin types, it's really safe and effective for all skin types, which we didn't used to be able to say with a lot of our resurfacing laser options. One of the other reasons why I really love Ultra and recommend it to many of my colleagues is really the fast return on investment because of the versatility of the Ultra platform. It really is the most powerful thulium on the market, as well as the fastest. The treatments can be as short as 5 minutes, or it can be more extensive for up to 15 to 20 minutes. But even then, you're pretty much in and out of the room, but really delivering a very effective treatment with minimal downtime for your patients. And also there are a couple of unique features with the Ultra in terms of different proprietary serums, masks, and of course, Carolase that's combined with the Ultra treatment. So, as I mentioned earlier, there was limitations in a lot of the more traditional resurfacing lasers. One, as a business owner and someone who runs a practice, is the high disposable, and of course, the cost of the device itself. Many other business models, particularly resurfacing lasers, were based on high price consumable stream. Many of you, if you already have an Ultra, know that consumable is very low cost to the business, as well as, obviously this makes a difference in terms of your ROI. So the Ultra, as we know, utilizes a 1927 thulium wavelength. It's really the most ideal. I call it the Goldilocks wavelength for non-ablative resurfacing. When we say non-ablative, it means that we're creating these small microthermal zones that really enhance and increase permeability of the skin. You can see that beautiful separation between the epidermis and dermis there that really give that coagulation that you see. The non-ablative wound, we know that it results in faster healing times than the more aggressive ablating treatments. And it's very effective for pigment, photo damage, as well as other more superficial conditions. So this is that kind of random mode controlled chaos theory that I talked about, really even treatment, ensuring patient comfort and safety, and minimizing the risk of complications. So, just thinking about your patient selection, really any skin type is appropriate. Anyone who's looking for improvement, but also improvement in really fine texture, fine lines, pore size. It's almost like a buff and shine that I like to explain to my patients. So I really am excited to actually speak to you about the Ultra Glow. It's a newer treatment that Lutronic is marketing, but really it's really showing you the commitment that Lutronic has for us. And it's not a new laser. To me, it really gives an idea of kind of the power of Ultra in terms of ROI. So a couple of BNAs that we can go through, you really see, the improvement of, not just, her lentigines, but also her fine lines. Again, another patient, lots of sun damage with pigmentation, really a nice overall brightening effect. So this is the ampule series that's available with Lutronic. And, they have the ascorbic acid, 10% vitamin C, retinol, tranexamic acid, and resveratrol. In my practice, I do the tranexamic acid. It's the most popular. I know this lecture was really focused on the Ultra. I'm also a Genius user, and so I do total skin quite a bit in my practice. At first, when I started doing Genius, I did them separately, but now pretty much 100% of my Genius patients receive total skin solution, and this is the combination of the Ultra with the Genius, and it's marketed as total skin solution, or TSS, as my patients know it. And you're really kind of addressing all the things when we're talking about skin aging. Some people like to explain it like fluffing the pillow. So you're volumizing the tissue with, laying down collagen and elastin in a meaningful way with your radio frequency microneedling Genius treatment. And then you're washing and ironing out the pillowcase with the smoothing out these fine lines and brightening the skin with addressing more superficial pigmentation.